Hey, who's Rua de Cunha? It's a Saturday night and it's pretty busy, so I'm going to take the camera down and I'll put a little timestamp so you know exactly what Saturday this is, but it's Saturday around 7:30 p.m. So we're going to go straight through this one and I'll tell you all about it. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna go through this little area. This is Rua de Cunha. This is in Taipa. You can see all the people coming down this main street. There's all these cool little tributaries too. So there's Starbucks right here, and then you can go all the way down. Just kind of show you some of the alleys as well. And there's Starbucks right to the left. So Rua de Cunha is behind me, but then there's all these, let's just kind of walk all the way by. But you can see these little tributaries, alleyways. They all look pretty interesting. You can go all the way and just kind of go all the way down in them. But since Rua de Cunha is our focus, we're going to stay with that. And we're going to go right down the main neon lit street on this Saturday night. Got a little a plaza. Okay. Let's head down this way. So this is the main drag, if you will. The main street, Rua de Cunha. So yeah, quite a few people today on Saturday. That one's a Portuguese restaurant. Okay, let's just kind of check out everything out. Keep on going down. It's a little taste of Macau on a Saturday night in this part of Taipa. Turkish ice cream. Candy store. And we got all the way through it. And there we go. So Rua de Cunha. All lit up. And I guess we will end it right. We'll end it right here. We'll just kind of. So Rua de Cunha, part of Taipa, Macau. And we'll end it there.